Hey guys, what's up? This is Smithy. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you a lot. Today's video is a super exciting one. We're going to talk about magnetic lashes. You guys must know that I never ever wear false lashes. So I thought if I can, and it's not that I had not tried. Whenever I've tried, I've failed miserably. So I definitely wanted to try the magnetic lash trend that is going around right now. But I don't want to spend $50 on a magnetic lash, which I don't even know I'm gonna suck at it or not. I don't know. So when I was going in Kroger for grocery shopping, the makeup junkie in me wanted to just go into the aisle and check if there's anything new happening there or not. So I don't know whether it's new or not because it's been long that I've gone out and checked. But I saw ARDELL is selling magnetic lash and the liner, and this was a magnetic gel liner which is included in the packet and a pair of lashes also. And this comes with 4 magnets in the band lash. And the second brand that I saw is KISS. So KISS also does magnetic eyeliner with the lashes, and they do 5 magnets in the lash band. I wanted to do a battle, one against the other. This is a liquid liner that KISS sells, but ARDELL is selling a gel liner. Now I really am bad at gel liners, but we're gonna give it a try. I'll apply KISS on my left eye and ARDELL on my right eye and see which one works and which one doesn't. The KISS lashes are super natural. It just says double strength magnets on 5 points. It's paraben free, dermatologist tested, biotin infused, B7. It lasts up to 16 hours, wind resistance, reusable, no smudge. And how do we apply it? Line the KISS magnetic eyeliner along the lash line and wait until the formula is dry, and lash right onto the applied liner. It seems pretty easy. Yeah, so does all the other lashes, but I really am bad at it. Okay, what does the ARDELL say? ARDELL says no adhesive needed, long-lasting, waterproof, paraben and latex free. Apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line. Place the magnetic lashes on the magnetic gel liner while the liner is still semi-wet. Gently press down to secure. So semi-wet for ARDELL, completely dry for KISS. So let's get started. So the ARDELL one, as you can see, comes with a pot liner, a brush and a pair of lashes to apply, and the KISS one comes with a liquid liner and a pair of lashes. I'll leave the pricing of both of them on the screen. They say shake well before using. Fun fact, when I was dipping my toes into makeup, the first thing that I tried was liquid liner. And there are so many photos of me without applying any makeup, just the liner, and I used to rock that look. So let's get started. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Now we'll wait for the KISS one to dry before we apply that. And on the right hand side, I'm going to apply the ARDELL. So time for ARDELL. It comes like in a pot, as I said. Let's see how's the formula. They say 2 coats of ARDELL liner, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Apply 2 coats of it. The liner is getting super thick, guys. But I'm not mad at the brush. I thought the brush would really suck, but it's not. I'm really not mad at it. So because this is a little more thicker, I'm gonna make this also a little thick. So the consistency actually of the KISS liner is basically liquidy because it's a liquid liner. And on the ARDELL, it's much thicker. It's more like a thick paint consistency. If you've used the gel liner, you know what it is. I've not applied any mascara on the lashes. I'm just gonna wait for it to dry and then see how both of these perform. It's like a battle amongst KISS versus ARDELL, both in the lash industry. So let's see what makes more sense. Okay, I'm gonna apply the Ardell one right now. I'm so bad at putting lashes that I'm like, which is the right one, which is the left one? So these are the Ardell Wispies. Let's see how it goes. If I can succeed in putting lashes, they have done their purpose. I'm that bad at it. So let's see. It's actually sticking nice. What? Are you kidding me? That was me. I stuffed my eye with nothing. Can you see that? I cannot even believe it. Are you serious? Can you see this? It's there. It's stuck. It definitely feels like something is sitting on the lashes, obviously because there are lashes, but it is working pretty fine. Not mad at it at all. At all. This is the first time that I've not struggled with lashes, and trust me, first time. Otherwise, it's always been like, okay, I'm gonna apply some lashes, and then a few minutes later, I'm gonna be like, no, I don't want this crap on my eyes. Okay, so let's try and apply the KISS lash and see how does that go. Okay, it is grabbing on. Wow. Obviously, this lash is a much natural lash. Oh, but both of these work, guys. Both of these work. Can you see? I'm just gonna get into close, right into your face, just to show you guys. And that's KISS. And this is in the style Lure. So that's KISS lash. And this is how Ardell lashes are. And these are like wispies. I'm so happy that I finally could apply some lashes. You know what I should do? I should actually try putting like the normal glue, like the eyelash glue, on top of my liner and then try and applying my lashes. I think that would work so much better. But I'm not giving credit to myself. I really think because it's magnetic, it's just like sticking onto my lashes. I am super happy, guys. What do you guys think about it? I think anybody who's struggling with lashes, this is for us. They answered our prayers and now we can also apply lashes, I think. I am super happy. I really thought that this video is gonna go upside down, but for a surprise, I'm super happy. I'm gonna test this and see. I really don't want to apply a mascara. I don't know whether that would ruin the lashes or not, but they said both of these are reusable lashes. They say wet a cotton swab with an oil-based makeup remover and then gently wipe away the eyeliner. So I think that would be applicable for both the eyeliners. Wow, I'm glad I did this. I am really glad. I was thinking about this so many times. I was like, yeah, lashes are not for you, Smithy, so let's not try it. The video is gonna be super flop. So I'm so happy that I tried it, guys. Let me know in the comment section below which lash do you think. I think both of them applied super fast. It was just a matter of applying a thick coat of eyeliner, and I just did as per the instructions that were mentioned. I put Ardell when it was semi-wet and I put KISS when it was completely dry. And I think it completely works. I'm gonna do a wear test and I'll leave in the description below how it worked throughout the day. Hopefully this works out for all of us. I was just experimenting with all the lashes. I applied the Ardell lashes on top of the KISS eyeliner, but it worked beautifully fine. So if you guys are buying like any brand's magnetic liner, I think any lashes would work beautifully well. I was just experimenting just because the KISS lashes were very natural looking and the Ardell one was more wispy and I wanted that effect. But it worked beautifully. I love the whole effect of putting like magnetic lashes. I'm super excited, guys. Okay guys, that's all for this video. If you guys are new here, please subscribe if you haven't already, and please ring that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I'm posting next. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!